The electric vehicle market is currently one of the most exciting industries in technology and design. When they hear the words electric vehicle, most people immediately think of Tesla, as for the most part, they have received very little competition in the industry. But the Chinese manufacturer BYD is quickly shaking up the market with their new Blade battery, and even Elon Musk has taken notice. With Tesla rumored to be investing in BYD's new game-changing lithium battery, what exactly is this new technology that's generating so much hype around the world? The Blade battery. BYD's Blade battery is certainly an impressive piece of technology, making it no surprise that it's caught the attention of Elon Musk for use in Tesla manufacturing. These cobalt-free battery cells are highly regarded for the balance they achieve between high performance and cost efficiency. As for the Blade battery, one of its most impressive features is the life of service of its newly announced battery cells. According to BYD, the Blade battery life service is around 1.2 million kilometers, or 3,000 charging cycles, meaning drivers will almost certainly not have to worry about their EV battery losing efficiency. The state-of-the-art new Blade battery is gaining much of its hype from the unique safety levels it boasts. The Blade battery is, in fact, a revolutionary piece of technology when compared to the safety levels offered by other battery models across the EV industry today. BYD worked tirelessly through development in order to ensure that the Blade battery presented truly impressive results across all of their safety tests, leading it to become a class leader in its test results. A rigorous nail penetration test confirmed that the Blade battery surface temperature only reached a remarkably low 30 to 60 degrees Celsius, while emitting no smoke or fire, even under the highest pressure conditions. In addition to these nail penetration tests, BYD also subjected the new Blade battery to high-intensity fire and overcharging tests. The batteries were subjected to furnace fires of 300 degrees Celsius and overcharged to a capacity of 260%, neither of which resulted in any fire, combustive, or explosive responses. These tests alone show the degree to which the BYD Blade battery seems capable of outperforming both traditional ternary lithium batteries as well as the other lithium iron phosphate batteries currently available on the EV market. The Blade battery boasts a sleek design and incredibly compact dimensions of just 96 centimeters long, 6 centimeters wide, and 135 centimeters high. The individual battery cells are then taken and inserted ergonomically into a specially designed battery pack that use the innovative Blade arrangement. The engineers at BYD have also managed to decrease the overall cubic volume of the battery installation by 50% through ergonomic design choices, and in doing so have created additional space for vehicle stowage and other auxiliary design features and equipment. The design and performance specifications of the new Blade battery model are truly impressive and signal a huge leap forward in the level of competition Tesla will have to face in the EV market. What is BYD? Tesla has long reigned as the sole king of the electric vehicle, or EV market, but right now, some new players on the scene look set to create competition for Elon Musk and his Tesla empire. BYD is a Chinese automaker that was first established as BYD Auto in 2003, after the larger BYD company acquired Kinshuan Automobile Company in 2002. As Tesla was also launched in 2003, this makes BYD Auto and Tesla just about the exact same age. Over the past 2 decades, BYD, which stands for Build Your Dreams, has managed to make a name for itself as China's most popular electric vehicle manufacturer. The company is headquartered in the city of Xi'an, in China's Shaanxi province. They are known for manufacturing cars, trucks, forklifts, and rechargeable batteries. The current model range of automobiles includes electric vehicles, plug-in hybrid vehicles, and petrol engine vehicles. BYD made international headlines in summer 2021 when the production of their new lithium iron phosphate, or LFP, battery was rumored to have caught the attention of American EV giant Tesla. Reports emerged that Tesla was going to start implementing BYD's new LFP battery, known as the Blade battery, in their own assembly from the second quarter of 2022. These reports said that Tesla was already in the C-sample test phase with the BYD batteries. But since then, further rumors have emerged regarding the relationship between Tesla and their Chinese counterparts. The current rumors are no longer about the installation of the cells in Tesla's planned new entry-level model, which is often referred to as the Model 2. Chinese media have since launched into a frenzy, stating that Tesla has allegedly already placed an order of BYD battery cells for use in their EV production line. According to the reports, the alleged order for 10 gigawatt-hours of Blade batteries is said to be for the normal range variants of the Model 3 and Model Y that are to be built in China. BYD's move to provide their LFP Blade batteries to the global giant of EV manufacturing lines up with the moves they have been making to enter the EV market on a more global scale. Is Tesla striking a deal? In its most recent reports, Tesla made the announcement that they were transitioning to LFP batteries on a global scale. While the standard variant models made in China already make use of LFP batteries, certain models like the standard range Model 3, when manufactured in the USA, as well as their all-wheel drive vehicles, still make use of round cell batteries. There are many factors to consider for Tesla when it comes to the use of BYD's LFP blade batteries, as they differ in capacity from the CATL LFP batteries that Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory have used up until now in their standard range models. According to performance research, the Tesla batteries that use the CATL LFP battery cells sport a capacity of 126 watt-hours per kilogram, whereas BYD's blade batteries, on the other hand, have a capacity of 150 watt-hours per kilogram. As for Tesla's current manufacturing, the MIC Model 3 SR Plus currently has a 55 kilowatt-hour LFP battery. Although it's currently only sold in China, the Model Y SR sports an impressive 60 kilowatt-hours. There has been talk about bringing this model into the EU market, although this has yet to materialize, but this has not yet happened. As the alleged order for BYD blade batteries was 10 gigawatt-hours, this means more than 160,000 battery packs with 60 kilowatt-hours each could be built for this order alone. Speculation persists regarding whether Tesla would choose to implement the BYD blade batteries currently being produced in China or try to establish a new production line for the batteries in the US or even Europe. At present, BYD does manufacture in the USA, but the plant, which is located in Lancaster, California, only produces electric buses, trucks, and battery systems, but not the cells themselves. If Elon Musk does choose to go ahead with the order of the BYD blade batteries, it could seriously drive down energy costs. BYD's new blade battery is very affordable, estimated at €55 ($64) per kilowatt-hour. The CATL LFP battery cells currently used in Tesla standard models cost around €75 per kilowatt-hour, meaning that the switch could reduce costs by €20 per kilowatt-hour. Choosing to diversify their manufacturing by incorporating the new BYD blade batteries would not only lower these costs, but has the potential to strengthen the entirety of the electric vehicle market. BYD's journey in the EV market. From the various new releases and announcements that BYD has made over the previous years, it's clear that they are serious about elevating their position in the global EV market. Their manufacturing predominantly takes place in an ultra-high-tech intelligent production facility located in the Chongqing area of southwestern China. The €1.3 billion, roughly $1.5 billion facility annually delivers a production capacity of 20 gigawatt-hours. The site is rigorously maintained, with strict protocols on cleanliness and a consistent temperature of exactly 25 degrees Celsius. The highly focused attitude toward production is indicative of BYD's global strategy and desire to truly assert their place in the EV market. BYD has announced the ongoing improvements to their state-of-the-art blade battery technology, hailing the upcoming innovations as game changers for the EV market. It's clear that with their new designs, BYD is intent on taking new markets by storm. In particular, BYD seems to have their sights set on conquering the European market. In BYD Europe's own words, they believe that the blade battery marks the start of a new era of safety and performance for the electric vehicle industry in Europe. The announcement of the new blade battery featured as the headline of their most recent EV announcement, the company's new 7-seater 2021 model of the BYD Tand SUV. This will mark the first car to be powered by the new blade battery, ahead of any order made by Tesla for their standard range variants. BYD's Tang model is an innovative EV designed for release in the Norwegian market. The model first made a successful entry to the Norwegian EV market in 2020, which seems to have fueled BYD's confidence in their global capabilities and may well be a factor in the new rumors about featuring in the upcoming Tesla production line. With the success of their Norwegian launch, BYD is looking to expand their opportunities in the overall European EV market, the future of EV manufacturing. Given all of their recent announcements, it's clear that both Tesla and BYD mean serious business when it comes to their ambitions in the EV market. Tesla will soon open its new megafactory Giga Berlin, which will serve the same European EV market that BYD is so eager to make their mark on. Having dominated the market for so long, seeing the rise of BYD may push Tesla to go above and beyond in their own innovations in battery cell and LFP technology. Or Tesla and BYD may choose to create a partnership and work together to advance the EV market and bring efficient and affordable electric vehicles to whole new markets.